race number 7. And the race is on. Prince Verdi rising up. Summit Master step up and moving up by the rallies Madam. Composita Hajok also rushing up, and on the further outside is De Vega. Hajok, Summit Master, she step up, Bullseye, Madam Composita. De Vega is racing in 6 from the outside. Prince Verdi, Prospector's Cat. Hajok, Summit Master, is step up on the outside. De Vega getting closer on the outside as they race the final corner. Summit Master regains the lead from Hajok on the further outside. Step up, De Vega on the further outside. Summit Master by some 3 lengths now. A step up, Hajok, De Vega, Bullseye. And nearing the finish line, Summit Master step up, and finally Summit Master. Step up, close, Hajok, De Vega. Then comes Prince Verdi for your Fentafecta.
Okay, 5-6